Heather here and welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day 2021 everyone! Today's makeup look is so easy, anyone can do it. Pink, glam, super easy, dewy makeup look. You can use this makeup look if you're going on a virtual date, a Zoom date, or you can do this makeup by yourself. Take pictures, you know. Valentine's Day is not just about couples, it's about just love in general, okay? If you're having Valentine's too, you can do this makeup look. It's just super easy, okay? Alright, that's enough of the blabbering. Let's get on to the makeup look. Alright you guys, so the first step actually to a good makeup look is your base, which is moisturizer. Step 1, moisturize your face. Step 2, lip balm. I like to use the Carmex. I'm running out and I don't know where to find this in Oman. Next step is to conceal any dark spots, so I'm gonna use this by NYX. We're just gonna add this under our eyes. Any blemishes that you see adds the whole bottle. We're gonna blend this out and I'ma be back. I forgot to mention I'm blending this out using a brush. Next, it's time to sculpt those cheeks and shape our nose. I'm using Makeup Revolution in the shade 516. So I added concealer on where I want shadows on my face, which is on here, and we're gonna blend it out. Alright you guys, so now our cheeks are snatched. We're gonna move on to cheeks. We're gonna use a cream blush, any cream blush. We're just gonna add it to the high points of our cheeks. This, dab it on there. Another option would be you can get a sponge just like this and you just dab on the stick and you dab on your face. Dabbing it on the sponge will prevent from wiping away your base makeup, especially if you're a beginner. Alright, let me blend this out and I'ma be back. Next step is a highlighter. I'm gonna take this and just dab it on my high points. You can blend this with your finger or a sponge. So next step is lipstick. Yes, lipstick. This is usually the last step, but why not? We'll do it in the middle before we go on our eyes. I'm using this by NYX. Just apply on your lips. We're ready for our eye makeup look. Grab a small brush like this with a fluffy end and any matte pink shade of your choice. Tapping off the excess, avoid fallouts. Alright, so you can see the pink line over here. We're just gonna apply it to your lid in a dabbing and swipey motion. The pink base will help the purples and the pinks to pop a little more later. So now we're just gonna grab the NYX palette, grabbing this pink red tone, tapping off the excess again, and we're gonna apply this to the end of your eyebrow tail, focusing on the outer, focusing on this end. Next, we're gonna grab this dark purple shade right here, tapping off the excess as always to avoid fallouts because we did our base, so we don't want to ruin that. And we're gonna add this to the same area we added the previous one, just on the ends of your eyebrow tail. I'm using the viewfinder, not a mirror, so let's hope this look is presentable. Okay, so adding it more pigment, focusing it on the ends. When I tell you this look is easy, this look is so easy. Now we're gonna grab this orange coral color. New tongue twister, orange coral color. We're gonna add this near our tear ducts right here and just meeting the purple in the middle. We're almost done you guys. It's that easy, okay? You got this, you can do this. So we're gonna grab the same pink shade. Where was it? This one. Just add lightly, okay? Lightly. Feather it out from here. Feathering it out lightly. Make sure there are no harsh transitions. Why did I say that like a valley girl? Now we're gonna add a little bit of glow to the eyelids. We're gonna use this, tapping it on like this, and very gently add to the center of the lid. Center going to the tear duct. Okay. I'm just lightly tapping it on there to avoid fallouts as well, because shimmer fallouts, glittery fallout, man, it's gonna be a battle. And that is how easy this makeup look is, okay? So now we're gonna add, it's optional, okay? Nobody's forcing you to do so. We're gonna add, sis. We're gonna add eyeliner right here. It's optional, you can keep it this way with the mascara on, curled lashes and everything. Oh wait, the lower lashes, hold on. So we're just gonna focus on the colors that we used a while ago, which was the purple and this pink. We're gonna grab a little bit, tap, tap, tap that. Focusing on the tear duct, going in the center. Grab the purple one. So that will have the same transition on the top. And everything will just tie together, you know? Look, would tie together. Adding a little more because purple don't want to show up today. Fallout! And tap enough. I'ma fix this. I'ma fix your man. Fix your man. Fix your man, man. Let's bring back a little sparkle on our tear ducts right here. And then we're just gonna get this beautiful gold. I ain't done. Just makes your eyes pop a doodle doo. So again, you can end it here, or we can go a little extra mile and add cat eyeliner and a false lashes. We're grabbing any eyeliner and a mirror because we're not crazy by doing it in the viewfinder. Oh, my eyebrows! I didn't do my eyebrows on this side. I have no idea what brand this is. I think it's Maybelline. We're just gonna fill in over here the amount of times I forgot to do my eyebrows with a glam makeup look, honestly. Flick it over here, then join it together. Like so. Fill the gap. And there we go. I probably look so weird right now. And I'm trying not to smudge and transfer this eyeliner because we're not trying to have a mental breakdown today. That's it. Now it looks more put together, but again, you can skip that step. But we're gonna go an extra mile today for eyelashes. I'm not gonna make a close-up look on this because I'm gonna be like, hey guys, I'm gonna use the lashes that I've been using for the last year, so we don't want that. Okay, I'm just gonna add my lashes off camera and I'll be back. All right, lashes are on, the makeup look is done. We're just gonna use this setting spray to set our makeup. My NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm just gonna fan it out. All right, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. It's so easy, you guys. I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shukran. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to stay safe, stay fab, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Should I do this, babe? This way? You know the drill. Subscribe over here and more videos over here. Stay safe, okay?